Welcome to our preview video, where I will show you how easy and effective it is to work with our action tracker. In just a few minutes, you'll discover its key features and see how it can simplify organizing your tasks and projects. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the settings sheet. Here, it's important to set up your project names and team member names. Simply continue adding them in the table by entering each name on a new row. Keep in mind that when inputting data later, you'll only be able to use names that are listed in these two tables. Additionally, you can customize how your calendar works. Choose 1 if you want the calendar to start on Sunday, or 2 if you prefer it to start on Monday. And that's it for the overall setup. Now, we can move on to entering data. Let's head over to the Action Tracker log sheet. Simply enter your tasks on new rows in the table, with each row representing one action. The statistics displayed at the top of the document update instantly, so you always have an up-to-date overview of your progress. To filter the data in this table, you can use the quick filters called slicers located at the top of the document. This allows you to easily display, for example, actions that are in progress, those with high priority, or only actions that are delayed. Now let's move on to the next sheet, Table Overview. This sheet provides an efficient overview for various time periods. You can choose to display actions for a specific day, week, month, or year. Additionally, you can refine the filter to display only a specific project or activities assigned to a particular team member for the selected time period. Using the slider, you can shift the time period forward or backward. The orange color in the date field signals that a time shift has been applied. The charts and all visualizations at the top of the document automatically update based on the selected date and applied filters. Additionally, you can sort the data on this page by date, priority, status, and more. You can choose to display tasks that are overdue or those with the status on hold that are not currently being worked on. The next sheet is Calendar. All tasks are organized here by their due date and divided into individual days. The calendar displays a 14-day view, and you can use the date slider to move forward or backward in time. Just like on the previous sheets, you have options to filter and sort tasks by date, priority, or project name. You can also choose whether the calendar starts with the current day or the Monday of the current week. My favorite view is the monthly calendar. In this layout, tasks are divided into 3 columns. The first 2 represent the current and the following month, while the third column shows all actions currently marked as overdue. Each column displays the number of tasks by status: not yet started, in progress, completed, and on hold. As with the previous sheets, you can apply various filters and views, such as sorting all tasks by date or priority. And now we come to the popular Gantt chart view, or rather, a modified version of it. Since we don't track the start date of each action, this is more of an adapted Gantt-style layout. On this sheet, each action is displayed graphically on a row, showing its due date in the calendar. In this sheet, you can also use filters for projects, team members, or display tasks with selected statuses using checkboxes. Just like in the other sheets, you can use the slider to shift the date view forward or backward. The Kanban board is another popular way to visualize task statuses. On this sheet, tasks are organized into 4 columns, each representing a specific status. The entire page is dynamic, allowing you to set a specific date range for displaying tasks. And of course, all the filtering options available on previous sheets are also present here. And now we come to the final page, which focuses on graphical visualization. The dashboard is the last sheet. Here, you can also adjust the display time period and use filters. This allows you to see, for example, how a specific project or team member is performing through the charts. And that's it. We've reached the end of our preview video. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you're interested in this action tracker, it's available for purchase, and you can find the link in the video description below. We hope this tool helps you stay organized and productive. Happy planning!